What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have a beautiful house for you today. This is a 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom house with AC in each room, and it is located in Runaway Bay, Senton. The land area of the house is 22,000 square feet. Current price for the house is Jamaican 70 million or US $450,000. This house is centrally located and close to supermarkets, gas stations, banks, and schools. It is also 5 minutes away from Cardiff Hall Private Beach, Salem Beach, and the prestigious Runaway Bay Golf Course. Some features of this property includes swimming pool, gazebo, remote gate, enclosed garage, helpers quarters, ceramic tile throughout, and can't forget to mention the beautiful landscape yard. Now let's take a look at this beauty. Please leave a comment and let us know what you think about this home.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.